Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine at your home. Welcome back in your mathematics class. This is class 9th. Today we are here with the solution of revision assignment 1. Yesterday I gave you a revision assignment of chapter number 1. Today I am here with all the solution of your revision assignment. This is your question number first and this is your question number 2 from your assignment. This is answer 1. And this is answer 2. First part, we will convert these two numbers into a rational number like this. This is the answer here also, and I only explain how we will convert this number into a rational number. Part B of question number 2nd, question number 3rd and 4th. This is answer 3rd, Pythagoras theorem. After this we will draw the diagram. Answer 4th. Answer 4th is incomplete without showing Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. Most of the students are confused from where we will take these two measurements. This complete side AC is 9.1, so half of AC is AO, which is half of 9.1, which is 4.05. so this is also a radius because it is also touching the circumference and the center of the circles, and same here, center of the circle and the circumference. This is also 4.05, 1 centimeter is this extra, so we will subtract it, so the remaining portion OB is 3.05. then we will apply Pythagoras theorem in it. This is your Pythagoras theorem, and it shows that PB is root 8.1. This is question number 5th. Simplify. We have 4 different parts. Answer 5th, part 1. Part 2nd. Part 2nd. Part 3rd. Part 4th. Part 4th complete. Question number 6th, part 1, part 2. Answer 6th, part 1. This is your answer of part 1. Question number 6, part 2. This is your answer. This is your question number 7. Simplify with 2 different parts. Answer 7, part 1 with the all steps. This is your answer of part 1. Question number 7, part 2. This is your question number 8 from your assignment. Answer 8. Rationalization is there. First part rationalization, second part rationalization, third part rationalization, putting the values in the given question, and this is your answer of question number 8. This is your question number 9. This is your answer 9. Rationalization is there. Question number 9 with all steps. We will put given values of root 3 and root 2. This is your answer of question number 9. Question number 10 from your assignment. Question 10. A is given. We have to find the value of 1 upon A first of all. This is the value of 1 upon A. Then we will find A plus 1 upon A's value, which is 3. After it, we will apply identity and find the value of A square plus 1 upon A square. This is your last question from your assignment, question number 11. Answer 11. This is your answer of 11th question. Now your homework. So students, you have to do all the necessary corrections in your assignment questions and revise chapter number 2 from NCERT and NCERT exemplar. Students, from tomorrow we will start revision of chapter number 2 polynomials. So you should revise this chapter today. Then we will discuss all your doubts in concepts in tomorrow's live class. Thank you. Have a nice day.